Hello students, this is Hedu Math Hub. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fill the JAMB 2025 form, okay, the registration template, so that you don't make any mistake. You have to be very careful because any mistake on this form can cost you an additional fee for correction, about 4,000 naira to correct any mistake on this form. So watch this video to the end because you stand to gain a lot and to avoid mistakes. So let's start with the first one. The first one will be on section A. So the first thing you need for JAMB 2025 is your profile code. Your profile code is a 10-digit number which will be given to you by JAMB when you send NIN single space your NI number to 55019. So JAMB will reply you with your profile code. It's a 10-digit number, so you're going to fill it into this space here. So after that, that means you are eligible to register for JAMB 2025. The next section is the PIN. The PIN part, don't fill anything in this particular part. This part, JAMB will give you your PIN, okay, when you have made your payments for the JAMB 2025. Okay, when you have paid, it will give you your PIN. So don't write anything in this particular space. So the next part is your surname. Your surname is your father's name. Your first name is your name. That is what your friends call you. Then your middle name is your other name. So let's assume your full name is Alao David Ayomide. So under the surname, you're going to write Alao. Under your first name, you're going to write David. Then under your middle name, you're going to write Ayomide. Okay. Then date of birth. Date of birth has to start with the day, the month, and the year. So if your date of birth is 15th of May 2010, you're going to write 15. Then May is 05. So you write 05. Then the year 2010. Then your sex, whether you're male or female. That one is straightforward. The reminder status has to do with are you single or married. So if you are single, write single in that particular space there. Then for married people, you have to write married. Then if you have changed your maiden name, maybe after getting married, you have to indicate it there, your previous name and the name you're using now. Then this GSM number, this part is one of the most important parts. Any mistake on this part can really cost you. So this GSM part, you have to write the number that you use to send the profile code. Okay, the message of that profile code, the number that you use to type that message, that's what you're going to write here. Don't use another number. Use the same number that you use to generate the profile code. Okay, that's what you put in the GSM box. Then nationality, you have to write Nigerian there if you're Nigerian. State of origin, you include your state. Your LGA, that's your local government area in your state of origin. I have made corrections to my biodata at NIMC after my last registration. So if you're having issues with your NIN, maybe the name that is reflecting there is not what JAMB brought out, then you have to tick yes, I have made corrections. So JAMB can recheck and do the necessary corrections for you. But if you don't have any issues with your NIN, just leave that part blank. So the next part is other information. Now, for other information, disabilities, that's the first part, or challenges. So you have to indicate the relevant disability, blind, deaf, dumb, and so on. But if you don't have any disability, just tick none. Okay, email address, also very important. You have to type your email address very carefully. Write it carefully. Any mistake here can cost you login issues in your JAMB portal. If you don't type your email very well, you might have login issues and be able to log into your JAMB portal to know if you have been given admission by JAMB. So type the correct email and make sure you have a valid email that you can log into, email that you know the password. If you use an email that you don't know the password, to log in very hard and you'll be able to log into your JAMB portal. So use an email that you know the password and that you can log into. The next one is contact address. Just write your home address there. Preferred state of exam. So now this part is very important. You need to write in the state where you want to write the exam. If you're in Ogun State, for example, you want to write your exam in Ogun State, you write Ogun in this part. Your exam town, you write maybe Ota. If you want to write your exam in Ota, you write Ota in that part. So the place where you want to write your exam, that's what you're going to indicate in that part. Then mock exam, don't take the mock exam, just tick yes. The mock exam will guide you and to make you do very well in the major exam. It's not compulsory, but it will set you up for a better performance in the main JAMB exam. So just tick yes for the mock exam. Then mock exam state, also feel the same thing. Ogun State, if you're writing an exam in Ogun State and your mock exam town, you can just put in Ota at that particular point there. So the next part is your choice of institution. Very important. Now look at how you're going to do it. It's very simple. The first choice will be a federal university. Just put as federal university. Okay, just follow what I'm telling you. Put as federal university. So if you're going to Unilag, for example, or OAU, Uniben, those are federal schools. So you can just put Unilag. Now let's assume I want to study medicine and surgery in Unilag. So I'm going to write program of study. I'm going to write medicine and surgery at that point. Now my second choice, I can put a state university there. So I can put LASU in second choice. Then let's assume I want to study pharmacy in LASU. So I'll just write pharmacy there. But we have to be very careful. You can see that I'm studying medicine and surgery in Unilag and pharmacy in LASU. They are related. Medicine and surgery and pharmacy are related because they have the same JAMB subject combination. You cannot write electrical engineering in Unilag and put pharmacy in LASU. It does not make sense because electrical engineering subject combination is different from that of pharmacy. So you have to be very careful. Use subjects that are related. Engineering, medical. So my third choice, I'm going to put in something like maybe Polytechnic, maybe Yaba Tech. Then I'm going to put something like SLT. SLT is Science Laboratory Tech. It's also medically inclined. So the subject combination for medicine and surgery, for pharmacy and SLT are related. They are all like the same. Okay, then the last one is your maybe monotechnic. You can just leave that last fourth choice, just leave it blank. Okay, they will fill anything for you there when you get to the registration center. Just leave it blank, it does not matter. Your major points are the first, second, and third choice. Okay. Then the next part is the ultimate subject. Now you can see that I chose medicine and surgery for Unilag. So medicine and surgery, the subject combination for medicine and surgery is English compulsory, obviously. So you need physics, chemistry, and biology. Pharmacy too is also physics, chemistry, and biology plus English. So you can see that the combinations are similar. If you choose a wrong subject combination, I'm going to give you admission issues in university. Okay, choose a combination that follows your the choices you have chosen. If you are going for engineering, for example, electrical engineering, and you want to study maybe you want to study electrical engineering in Unilag, maybe computer engineering, maybe Uniben, then you have to do maths, physics, chemistry, and English. You're not doing biology, so it must follow. You cannot put a medical course and an engineering course. It will give you admission issues. Okay, so that's that. Now I put a link in the description concerning the video I made of all the JAMB courses and their subject combinations that you have in Nigeria. So just check it out. Then the next one is the O-level information. Now this part is very important. Without indicating or uploading your O-level, JAMB will not even give you admission. So you have to upload your O-level for JAMB to give you admission. So your O-level is like a passport. So the first thing to do is your name of secondary school attended. The name of the secondary school that you attended. Just fill it in there. The number of sittings, if you're combining results, included there, maybe one sitting, two sittings, and so on. But the best thing is one sitting. One sitting will give you an upper hand over people that are combining 2 or 3 sittings. So the next part is the O-level subjects. Now include your 9 subjects that are in your results. Type your 9 subjects, maths, English, and so on. Type them out. Now the grade, what you scored in these 9 subjects, B2, A1, write them out there. Now, if you have not written WAEC yet, they're going to write under the grade. They're going to write awaiting result. Just write AR all through. Okay. Now for the O-level subject, even if you have not written WAEC, write the 9 subject that you want to write in your WAEC. Write the 9 subject there. If you're writing WAEC or NECO, write your 9 subject there. The next part is WAEC, NECO, or NAPTEP. So if you know that you're going to use WAEC, you just write WAEC. If you're using NECO, just write NECO, and so on like that. Then school and private. School is the exam that you do in SS3. Like SSC, the one you do in SSC, that's the WAEC in SS3, not the WAEC that they do September, November. That one is GC, that one is private. So you have to put in, if you are using WAEC, the one that you wrote in SS3, you need to write school at this part. So you write school. If you're using GC, you need to write private. Even if you're using NECO too also has private and school. Write the year. This part, the year you wrote the exam, 2024, if it's 2023, write 2023, down like that, and put your exam number. So at times does not come with slash, but just put your exam number at the end. That's your candidate number, your seat number. That's what I mean by that. So the next part is I. Then you specify your name there. Supply the above information, signature and date. So you write your signature there. Then you sign. You put your dates there and everything. Then this part, just write your name here. Okay, that's all. This last part is for official use, so just leave it the way it is. So it is very easy to fill. Please be very careful. Don't make any mistake on this form because it will cost you extra additional cash to correct any of these details here. And you have to know the school you're going to, follow your subject combinations, and you won't have anything to worry about. So I believe you're going to succeed this year. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video with your friends and those that might be helpful too. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed. Subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Okay, I'm going to post more videos on this stuff. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed. Peace.